Hi, my name is Spencer. I'm at Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Beside me is a brand new vehicle from Mercedes. This is our 2020 E-Class Wagon. Beautiful car. This is our E450. You'll see here this is finished in a Lunar Blue Metallic. Beautiful dark blue metallic paint. Up front you'll see our AMG Sport package gives us upgraded wheels, a more aggressive front lip, LED headlights up front have a beautiful look to them. Now this is no ordinary E450. There are a lot of things that make this car very unique. The first of which is our night package. It contrasts that lunar blue really well. It's black accenting throughout the vehicle. You'll see on the wheels, on our window frames, along with our door mirrors. Just gives the car a very sporty, very aggressive look. As we come along to the rear of the car, you'll see our E450, our 4MATIC badging, black trim along the bottom as well as a part of our night package. Now coming along to the interior of the car, you'll see a beautifully contrasting nut brown and black leather interior. So it goes really well with that lunar blue. It's an upgraded leather package, that nut brown giving just the right amount of color. It's not too dark and it's not too bright. Beautiful Burl Walnut Wood Trim through there as well, giving a very classic Mercedes-Benz look. A lot of great features, a lot of great technology. Let's hop in, take a closer look at the interior. Inside our new 2020 E450, we can take a closer look at the interior. Beautifully displayed here. You'll see our two 12.3-inch screens. Your left is going to control your speedometer and tachometer. Your right is going to be navigation, Bluetooth, multimedia, phone control, all done right from that screen. Below you'll see dual zone climate control, navigation, radio, media, telephone, and vehicle settings shortcut buttons, cup holders. When we get to the center, you'll see touchpad control, dynamic vehicle driving, so comfort, sport, etc. Parking sensors. All of this controlled right from there. 64 different color ambient lighting. Brighter here during the day. It's going to be harder to see, but you will see a hint of it showing underneath our wood trim. To put the vehicle in drive, all you have to do is click down on the gear selector like so. Park is this button here on the end, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, an optional package on this Mercedes is the Parktronic parking system. Now what comes along with self-parking ability is your collection of cameras, creating your 360 camera view. So your front view cameras are located right there. You have your top-down view as well, so it shows where you turn, how you're going to turn that car. When you put the vehicle in drive, shows you their front view camera, and we'll take a little tour around the dealership here. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, standard on the vehicle. A few other upgraded features include things like our heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel, Burmester surround sound system, blind spot assist monitoring in our door mirrors, and an exclusive option is our heads-up display, something only the driver will see, but it presents information on your speed, your navigation, right in your windshield. Panoramic roof up top opens up the cabin, lets in a lot of natural light, really changes the feel of the vehicle. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have regarding a 2020 E-Class or any other new Mercedes-Benz model. You can call me right on my cell phone, 207-210-4796, or I'm available via email. My email is sroe, that's S-R-O-E, @driveprime.com. You can like, comment, subscribe on the video. If you have any suggestions, things you'd like to see, you can comment that below as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.